Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this greenhouse card with the Plentiful Plants bundle, which is part of the Bloom Where You're Planted suite. So here's the Plentiful Plants bundle. It has this lovely stamp set with all these images and dies to cut them out, sentiment, and you get a couple extra dies here, these tiny little pots and this plant and this hanging basket. It also includes the Bloom Where You're Planted Designer Series paper, and the paper coordinates with the dies. So you've got dies that cut these images out. So this one cuts this out, and this pot cuts this out, and this pot cuts this out right here. And then you've got this wood planks, these leaves, and then they cut out some of the leaves as well. This one and this one up here. And then this one cuts one that's not pictured right here, but it's on there. Wood grain, cinnamon cider brick, this lovely hanging vine. So fun. Then you've got this paper lattice. 10 of them come in a package, and you can color them whatever color you want, ink color you want. You can cut them up and use them however you want. So for this card, I have started with a piece of this is gray granite, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have attached a piece of the Designer Series paper that is 4 by 5 1/4 to the front, and then I have used the stitched rectangle dies to cut out 2 of the front panels as the window. The die I used was the second largest of these set of dies right here. So I did 1, 2. Okay, and then I cut out some of the pots and plants and a hanging basket from the Designer Series paper. So I cut out quite a bit from the Designer Series paper. So this plant, and then some brick for shelves, more plants, more brick. And then I've also cut out a little fun piece to go inside. This is 8.5 by 1.5, scored at 2 1/8, 4 1/4, and 6 3/8. And then I've cut out little pieces of the Designer Series paper, and these are 2. Let me double check that. No, these are 1 7/8 by 1 1/4. So you'll need 4 of those, the gray granite. And then you've got all your little pots here, and all your little ferns. You can cut out whatever variety you want. And then I have a little window sheet for the hanging pot right here. And this measures 1.5 inches wide by 4 inches tall. And that's gonna be placed on our piece right here. So I am going to go ahead and put this together. And I think I'm going to do a little speed so you can see. But you'll see me put this together, and then I'll do the shelves. And then I've got this little guy here that I just freehand cut. And this is the one right here that you can cut out with the die as well. And then these 2 I freehand cut. and then the rest are cut with the dies out of the designer series paper. But I did stamp this. This is another, I think this is the smallest one here, the rectangle dies. And I will go ahead and put this all together after I stamp the sentiment. Crooked. So I will try again. When I cut out another one, I'll cut out another one. Okay, here we go. And there is the greenhouse card. Isn't that so adorable? I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the Plentiful Plants bundle. Just use my hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like this card class. This is an easel card. So cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out all my other Plentiful Plants bundle videos. They're part of the Bloom Where You're Planted suite. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.